Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Hope you enjoyed my previous videos. Coming back to the next topic, let's start trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles means the sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. Sum of two angles should be 90 degrees. For example, if angle A plus angle B is equals to 90 degrees, this is what complementary angle. Suppose angle A is theta. Now what will be your angle B? Angle B will be 90 minus theta. What will be your angle B? 90 minus theta. If angle A is theta, angle B is 90 minus theta. Let's use this concept. In today's class, we'll be using this concept. Okay. In a triangle ABC, if angle B is equals to 90 degrees and angle A is equals to theta, for example, I am saying in a triangle ABC, ABC, angle B is how much? 90 degrees. If suppose angle A is some theta, now what will be your angle C? Angle C will be what? 90 minus theta. Clear? Okay. When I consider angle A, the side opposite to theta is BC. I am writing here opposite. And the side adjacent to theta is AB. I am writing adjacent. When I consider theta, that is sine theta, O by H. Hope you all remember. And side opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. So what is sine theta? O by H. So sine theta is O is how much? BC and H is how much? AC. Clear? Okay. When I consider angle C, that is 90 minus theta. The opposite to 90 minus theta is AB. So I write here AB. And side adjacent to theta is BC. So I write here adjacent. AC is hypotenuse. Clear? Okay. So how do you find sine 90 minus theta? Sine 90 minus theta. Sine formula O by H. O is how much? AB by AC. Clear? Now come back to cos theta. What is cos formula? Old Henry and his, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is how much? AB, that is AB by AC. Now come back to this cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is A by H. A is how much? BC by AC. Hope you all know this. Now listen, I am going to derive a small derivation I am going to explain today. That is not important, but just for knowledge I just want to explain this. See, sine 90 minus theta. I'll write it here and show in a box. Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. Answer is what? AB by AC. Correct? AB by AC. Sine 90 minus theta is AB by AC. But what is AB by AC? It is cos theta. So the derivation is sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. 90 minus theta is cos theta. See, you not have to buttify this derivation. Just for your knowledge, I explain. What you have to remember is all the formulas. All the formulas. What was it? Just now I explained. Sine 90 minus theta is equals to sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sine theta. You have to just remember this formula. Repeat it again and again for better memorizing. These are very, very important. In next exercise, we'll be using this formulas. Sine 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equals to cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. These are very, very, very important for next exercise. Repeat it again. Sine 90 minus theta, cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. Tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta, tan theta. Secant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta. And cosecant 90 minus theta is secant theta. Got it? Yes. Next, let's start the exercise. See, very, very easy exercise. It's very easy. Just it is based on this formulas. It is entirely based on this formulas. Exercise 11.3. Exercise 11.3. First question. Exercise 11.3. First one, that is tan 36 by cot 54 degrees. See, how can I write 36? 36, how can I write? I can write 36 like 90 minus 54 is 36. Can I write it 36? 90 minus 54. When we subtract this, I will be getting 36. So in the place of 36, what I will be writing? 90 minus 54. Tan 90 minus 54 by cot 54. Any doubt? Any doubt? I think no. Nothing I did. Just I have expressed 36 in the form of 90 minus 52. Now come back to the formula. Tan 90 minus theta is how much? Cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan 90 minus theta. In the place of theta, what I am having now? 54. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. That is cot 54. Cot 54 by cot 54. Now what? It will get cancelled and answer is 1. See how simple and how easy it is. How simple and how easy it is. The entire formula is based on, the entire exercise is based on these formulas. The concept is very easy if you understand the formulas and how to apply. Yeah, next second problem. Second problem. Cos 12 degrees minus cos 12 cos 12, second problem, cos 12 degrees minus sin 78. See, only the cos value I'll be changing. I'll be keeping 7 cos 12 value I'll be changing. Sin 78 I'll be keeping as it is. 12 can be written as 90 minus 78. If we subtract this, we'll be getting 12. So in the place of 12, what I'll be writing? 90 minus 78. So cos 90 minus 78 minus this as it is, sin 78 as it is. Understood? Shall I repeat it again? 12 can be written as 90 minus 78. So in the place of 12, what I did? I just replace this value. Now come back to formula. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. This is your theta now. Cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. Theta is how much? 78. So sin 78 minus sin 78. The answer is plus minus cancel answer. Today's assignment is cosecant 31 minus secant 59. Solve it and be ready by the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.